Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can restore your iPhone if you forget your passcode. So for doing this you just need to connect your device to your computer. So I also have iPhone 7 and I want to tell you how you can restore it on iPhone 10 or iPhone 8 or iPhone 8 Plus or iPhone 11 and 11 Pro, and so I will show you an example of iPhone 7 how you can restore it. But also that on iPhone 7 you need to do another combination. So I will show you what you need to do to restore it on iPhone 10 or 11 or 8. So for doing this you just need to press power button and low volume button and just wait until you will see power off. So just slide on power off and just press, don't release your button from low volume, and also it will mean that if you can connect your iPhone to your computer and you press on low volume for maybe 5 seconds, you will see that your computer, so it means that your computer and your device, like cable here, you will see like this image, and it will mean that your device is in recovery mode. So just enter your iPhone 10 or iPhone 11 or iPhone 8 to recovery mode and connect it to your computer, laptop, and just open iTunes. So after you open iTunes, you will see after you open iTunes, you will see here update your iPhone or restore it, and you will click on update when you will in recovery mode, and it will successfully update your system. And what is the logic of this all? That if you update your system, you need to enter new passcode, and your old passcode will disappear because you reinstall your system, you install new system, and it will just delete your passcode, and you will just enter new one, and everything will work. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.